Somewhere across the world's oceans are islands that feel almost impossible to find. Places with strange wildlife, empty beaches, lost cultures, and landscapes that look like they belong to another planet. Some are so remote that reaching them can take days, and one of them is home to fewer than 3,000 people. These are 15 secret islands you won't believe actually exist. When most people imagine an island, they think of crowded beaches, luxury resorts, and crystal clear water. But beyond the famous tourist destinations are islands that remain surprisingly unknown. Some are protected by isolation, others are difficult to reach, and a few are so unusual that they seem almost fictional. Let's start. 15. Rodrigues Island, Mauritius. Far out in the Indian Ocean lies Rodrigues, a small island that rarely receives the attention given to its famous neighbor, Mauritius. But that's exactly what makes it special. The island is surrounded by turquoise water, coral reefs, quiet beaches, and dramatic coastal landscapes. Life here moves at a completely different pace. There are no giant tourist crowds dominating the island. Instead, visitors discover local villages, traditional fishing, and landscapes that still feel remarkably peaceful. Rodrigues may not be the most famous island in the Indian Ocean, but that might be its greatest advantage. 14. Niue, South Pacific. Imagine an entire island country where the coastline is dominated not by endless sandy beaches, but by enormous limestone cliffs and caves. Welcome to Niue. Hidden in the South Pacific, Niue is one of the world's smallest countries and one of the least visited island destinations. Its coastline is filled with natural pools, caves, coral reefs, and crystal clear water. And because the island sits far from major tourist routes, it can feel like you've reached the edge of the world. 13. São Tomé, Gulf of Guinea. Off the western coast of Africa sits an island covered in tropical forests, volcanic mountains, and beaches that seem almost untouched. São Tomé is the largest island of the country that shares its name. Its interior is dominated by lush rainforest, while its coastline is scattered with remote beaches and small fishing communities. But what makes São Tomé fascinating is the feeling that you've stepped into a completely different world. The island is far from the traditional tourist circuit, and that isolation has helped preserve much of its character. 12. Flores Island, Azores, Portugal. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, thousands of kilometers from mainland Europe, is an island covered in waterfalls, volcanic cliffs, and deep green valleys. Flores is one of the westernmost islands of the Azores. Its landscape is shaped by volcanic activity, rain, and the powerful Atlantic Ocean. Waterfalls pour down cliffs, lakes fill ancient volcanic craters, and narrow roads disappear into forests covered in green. It doesn't feel like the Europe most people imagine. It feels like Europe at the end of the world. 11. Yakushima, Japan. Japan is famous for Tokyo, Kyoto, and Mount Fuji. But far to the south lies an island that feels like another country entirely. Yakushima is covered by ancient forests, mountains, waterfalls, and enormous cedar trees. Some of these trees are believed to be thousands of years old. The island's forests are so atmospheric that they helped inspire the visual world of Studio Ghibli's Princess Mononoke. Walk deep enough into the forest, and it becomes easy to understand why people have described Yakushima as a place frozen in time. 10. Lord Howe Island, Australia. Almost 800 kilometers from mainland Australia sits a tiny island surrounded by nothing but ocean. This is Lord Howe Island. It has dramatic volcanic mountains, forests, lagoons, and an extraordinary marine environment. But here's what makes the island even more unusual. Visitor numbers are deliberately limited to help protect its fragile ecosystem. That means you won't find the massive crowds associated with Australia's most famous destinations. Instead, you get something increasingly rare: space. Lord Howe's remote location and controlled visitor numbers are part of what has helped preserve its environment. 9. Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Now imagine hundreds of islands scattered across one of the most spectacular marine environments on Earth. Welcome to Raja Ampat. Located in Indonesia's far eastern region, this archipelago is famous for its limestone islands, turquoise lagoons, coral reefs, and extraordinary marine biodiversity. Underwater, the scenery becomes even more impressive. Colorful coral gardens stretch beneath the surface, surrounded by thousands of species of fish and other marine life. It is remote, it is difficult to reach, and for anyone who loves the ocean, it can feel like discovering another planet beneath the water. Raja Ampat is an archipelago of more than 1,000 islands and is renowned for exceptionally high marine biodiversity. 8. Svalbard, Norway. Most islands on this list are associated with tropical beaches. This one couldn't be more different. Svalbard lies deep inside the Arctic Circle. Here, enormous glaciers meet dark mountains and frozen oceans. During parts of the year, the sun doesn't set. During other months, darkness dominates the landscape. Polar bears roam the wilderness, and settlements are separated by vast stretches of untouched Arctic terrain. This isn't an island paradise. It's an island world that feels almost completely disconnected from civilization. 7. Isle of Skye, Scotland. Scotland has plenty of famous destinations, but the Isle of Skye feels like something from a fantasy film. Jagged mountains rise above misty valleys. Waterfalls disappear over cliffs, and enormous rock formations dominate the landscape. The most famous locations can attract visitors but move away from the main routes. And you can still find quiet corners that feel completely wild. This is the kind of island where the weather can change the entire landscape in minutes. 6. Tristan da Cunha, South Atlantic. Now we're going somewhere truly remote. Tristan da Cunha is often described as one of the most isolated, inhabited places on Earth. It sits in the middle of the South Atlantic Ocean, thousands of kilometers from major population centers. There is no airport serving the island. Getting there normally means traveling by ship. Only a small community lives here, and surrounding them is an enormous ocean with almost nothing else in sight. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that the nearest major city is thousands of kilometers away. That's Tristan da Cunha. 5. Socotra, Yemen. There is an island where trees look like giant umbrellas, where mountains rise from empty beaches, and where more than a third of the plant species are found nowhere else on Earth. This is Socotra. Located in the Arabian Sea, Socotra has been isolated for millions of years. That isolation created one of the most unusual ecosystems on the planet. Its famous dragon blood trees look almost alien, and its landscape combines limestone mountains, white sand dunes, caves, and turquoise lagoons. It doesn't simply look remote, it looks like Earth before civilization arrived. 4. Palau, Western Pacific. Hidden in the Western Pacific is a country made up of hundreds of islands. From above, its limestone islands look like pieces of green land floating in a giant blue ocean. But beneath the surface is where Palau becomes truly spectacular. Coral reefs, underwater caves, dramatic walls, and marine life make these waters a destination for divers from around the world. And in one famous marine lake, millions of jellyfish create one of the strangest underwater experiences on Earth. 3. Pitcairn Island, South Pacific. Almost nobody accidentally ends up in Pitcairn. The island is one of the most isolated inhabited places on Earth. There is no airport. There are only a few dozen permanent residents, and getting there requires a long journey across the Pacific Ocean. The island is surrounded by dramatic cliffs, deep blue water, and almost no signs of mass tourism. For most people, Pitcairn isn't simply a vacation destination. It's a journey to one of the most isolated communities on the planet. 2. Fernando de Noronha, Brazil. Off the northeastern coast of Brazil lies a secluded volcanic archipelago that feels almost completely detached from the mainland. To protect its fragile environment, visitor numbers are strictly limited, keeping its beaches among the most pristine on the planet. Towering volcanic cliffs rise dramatically out of the Atlantic, shielding hidden bays and turquoise lagoons. 1. Aogashima, Japan. There is one island on Earth that looks like it belongs in a fantasy world. It is Aogashima. Located hundreds of kilometers south of Tokyo in the Philippine Sea, this island is a massive active volcano, with a second, smaller volcanic crater sitting right inside it. Even more unbelievable is the fact that a tiny community actually lives here, nested inside the giant outer caldera surrounded by steep green walls. Reaching Aogashima requires a dramatic helicopter ride or a treacherous boat journey through rough ocean currents. Steaming geothermal vents rise through lush green forests, while dark ocean waves crash against massive ocean cliffs. Standing here, you don't just feel like you've found a remote island, you feel like you've stepped directly into the center of the Earth. And that is why Aogashima is the ultimate secret island. The world is filled with islands we've heard about our entire lives. But beyond them are thousands of places that remain surprisingly unknown. Some are hidden by distance, some by geography, and some simply haven't been discovered by mass tourism yet. Which island would you want to visit first? And if you want to discover even more incredible places around our planet, watch the next video on the Earth.